Today I'm going to be cooking spinach, baby spinach. As you can see, I have 2 big containers full because spinach seems to get smaller as you cook. I already have the water boiling with a little butter in it. We're going to try vegan butter today. I'm going to fill this up with spinach, you guys. I love me some spinach. Sometimes you can replace lettuce and use spinach. I like to get it all out, y'all. Each and every leaf of spinach. Now I'm going to put the other container in there, but before I do that, I'm going to sprinkle a little onion that I've already cut up. Sprinkle that. Add more spinach, you guys. Now the spinach is gonna pile up, but if anybody knows about spinach or loves spinach or have cooked spinach, you know that it cooks down very fast. And you only need a little water and a little butter. So what I do is I put the butter in the water and then put just a tad of butter on top. Get all the spinach out, you guys. Each and every leaf. Now, that's 2 containers of spinach. And we're going to see how it cooks down. I'm going to go ahead and add some onion. On the top, add a little onion. Yeah. Love me some onion. Even though it's gonna make your coochie smell like onion for a couple of days, baby, but onions are good for you. Have you ever seen Kanye West's daughter, North? She eat the onion by itself. Now, that's something that I can't do. So, I got a little bit more butter here. I'll sit the butter right here on top, you guys. Just a little butter for all of this spinach. And after that, I don't have any salt. I really don't like to use salt. I like sea salt, but I have this garlic salt. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little because, you know, the butter gives off a lot of flavor. You don't want to be sick around here eating too much salt. I'm going to put the top on. Let it simmer on 4. You see how the spinach cooked down all of that spinach? And look, but it smells so delicious. Smell it through the phone. Smell that through the phone, Lord.